What do I need to tell my children in advance of my passing away? Hey there, my name is Ron Payne. I'm the CEO and managing partner here at Payne Law in Kernersville, North Carolina. And today I just wanted to share three quick tips of things that parents can share with their children. Things that, yes, you have an estate plan and all of that stuff's written down, but what are the important things you need to discuss with your children first? The first one is, even though you probably have or should have, and if not, we can help you with it, but a living will or a DNR, advanced directive, sometimes you hear them called, all of those things, but you've specified what you want your last treatments to be like. In other words, when do you want them to pull the plug? When do you want them to stop, not hook you up to devices and everything? You want to make sure that your family knows if you want to be hooked up to devices or how long. In other words, when is it okay to pull the plug? Even if you have that stuff in writing, it's important to have that conversation with your kids. They need to hear it, preferably at the same time, from you. That way, there's no confusion about what you wanted. Okay? It's so hard emotionally to have to make those decisions about a parent or a loved one. And by telling everybody at the same time in the same way and giving them an opportunity just to clarify any questions they may have, it'll avoid future disagreements or at least minimize the chances of that happening. The second thing I think that's important to tell your kids, even if you've had it written down, is, do you want to be cremated? Do you want to be buried? What are your thoughts on that? That way they've heard it at the same time. They can ask questions in front of each other. And again, there's no confusion. And then last, but maybe most importantly, where are your important estate documents? They don't need to know the contents of your will. They don't need to know every last thought you had, but it is important to let them know where you put those important documents so they know where to find them if something happens to you. And it's fine that they're locked up, and if they can't get to them right away, maybe you've got them in a safe deposit box, and the only way they're going to be able to get to them is with a letter from the clerk of court, But either way, it's important that they know where those documents are so that they know where to look and they can make sure your last wishes are, in fact, carried out the way you wanted. So I hope this has been helpful. For friendly legal tips, like and subscribe here on YouTube. If you'd like to set up a free estate planning or probate consultation with us, we'd be happy to do that. You can reach us on the web at applepaynelaw.com or at 336-281-6928. I hope this has been helpful, and until next time, have a great day.